Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life, and it's me Asya. And today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. Many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyling with the attractive haircut. Beautiful collection of hair dye, overall collection latest and trendy. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Some ideas spiky hairstyle, so beautiful collection of messy hairstyles, some ideas fine hairstyle, and some collection too short, wave and curl on hair, wavy hairstyling. Matching collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color. Grey color, and so attractive collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Different collection of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut, and very attractive collection of choppy haircut, notching haircut. Very attractive overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.